Good morning, it's John. Is this Mr. McArthur right there? Yep, in the jury box. He's got a bond violation. Hey, good morning. Don't move. You have a supervising lawyer?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm not sure.
Yeah, we can't do it. Just go ahead, take a seat for me, man. He doesn't have a supervising lawyer here, so he can't do it by himself. We're gonna have to wait until someone else comes. Do you know if Karina's coming today?
He's coming today.
Okay.
For Chavez.
Do you have something on?
I just have a question, just in on case, it's on the Contreras. Yeah.
Okay, I'll sign up for you now.
Of
course. Say it again. Is he here now?
He's here.
Last name is Gooden? Oh, Contreras, come up.
That's it. We have to, I can't share with you on phone.
So he has an unlawful carrying of a weapon with us, and then he's on bond for 2 aggravated assaults with a deadly weapon upstairs.
Correct.
Are you representing him upstairs? This is Mr. Contreras right here.
Gotcha.
Can you tell us what happened in the felony cases, please?
Yes. You got 2 aggravated assaults with a deadly weapon, and I can read the first one off. So that was going to be on April 20th of 2026. An officer responded to an aggravated assault call and met with the complaining witness, who stated he and friends were at his parents' house, and a Cadillac with 3 Hispanic males drove past his home and would stop and yell threats and come back and leave again. The defendants returned with the defendant in the backseat wearing a face mask. One of the complaining witnesses' friends left, and the defendant followed while showing 2 firearms. The defendants returned and made threats and stopped the car at the end of the street, and defendants exited pointing guns in their direction. The complaining witness confirmed and stated the defendants called him over and showed him a gun. The complaining witness's mother saw the vehicle parked and a male in a face mask then passed, and Mr. Contreras was in the front passenger.
How do they attribute the gun to him?
Where
was the gun?
The gun was in plain view on the back passenger side and a Glock pistol on the driver's side near the center console. So there was 2 guns.
Okay.
The complaining witness There's another one also. It looks like there was 2 guns and 3.
Got it. He sent it to you.
No, I just didn't see it.
Okay, I just sent it to you.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning. So it looks like that's a good number and it's a good location. Just off first Google search, so. Yeah, if you don't mind helping out real quick.
Yes,
We're looking at Contreras. Contreras. He's charged with UCW. He's got 2 aggravated assaults upstairs with a deadly weapon. Looks like there's a couple guns in the car. How do we know which one is his, if any?
Contreras, it looks like there were 3 juveniles under the age of 18. Inside a vehicle where there was firearms.
Hmm.
They did take them back to the location where the complainants were able to identify all 3 of them as men carrying a firearm.
Do they specifically pinpoint that our complaint or defendant has a gun? He's carrying?
Let me see. So they saw an AR pistol in the back passenger side and a Glock pistol was observed in the driver's side near the center console. The 3 males were identified. The transports to back location were identified by the complainants as the males who had been riding around the vehicle and pointing weapons at them. So all 3 were identified as pointing weapons at them. And the complainants were able to tell who was sitting where in the vehicle. Unfortunately, he was actually, he has it, the front passenger. Which would have been with the pistol.
Well, the pistol's near the front driver though. The way I heard it was,
Yeah, AR pistol on the back passenger side, Glock pistols, the driver's side. near the
Right,
center
so-
console.
you say you are representing him upstairs or not? All right, I'm gonna find a BC. All right, if you want to go ahead and get your client, I'm gonna find no problem cause. Yeah, you guys are free to go. Yeah, I take it they're not gonna dismiss it. They're gonna talk to felony first, so just reset it.
That's for a short recess.
Yeah, I don't care what you guys do. I mean, really, but
Thank
yeah.
you.
Of course, thanks. Are you, so wait, are you still in or are you done? Still in? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're done.
are you done? Okay, we'll talk later. All right.
Top of one. for-
Barrientes,
You wanna just call-
Barrientes, Barrien. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you were charged with theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Okay,
On December 8th of 2025 in Harris County, Texas, an officer was dispatched to a theft. The store manager, who's the complaining witness, advised that the defendant asked to see several pieces of jewelry, and while handling the jewelry, the complaining witness turned away for a moment and defendant exited the store casting all points of sale. The total was $8,072. The officer reviewed surveillance corroborating the complaining witness statement, and defendant was ID'd through a photo line.
wait a second. It's a theft of $8,000?
That's what I have. Let me confirm.
No, I have here $866.
It must be a typo, but
Yeah.
hold on, it does say the complete list has $791 I see here at least. But then there's a bunch of,
Judge, I want to say that it is closer to $8,000. We might have to refile because there's only one of the bracelets cost $791.
Yeah, this is. You got to take it upstairs. I
Yeah.
can't, I mean, the one I'm reading here that's in front of me on the Tubi, it has it listed at $886. It's got a medium charm bracelet, an initial N ring, an S ring, 79, 59, 59, 59, 69, 49, 89, 49, 49, 59, 59, 59, 59, 59. All these are charm bracelets. This totals up to 866. Do you have something else?
What I'm seeing, Judge, so the way that I was reading in the gym is like 791, 591, 691. So I'm not sure if they did a typo when they put the additional one. I have to confirm the amount, and once we confirm the amount, then we will decide whether or not we have to refile. Because I'm not sure if the adding the additional one at the end is a typo, but there is just a twist charm bracelet valued at $791. So we will confirm the amount, Judge, before deciding to refile.
According to this one, I'm going to find probable cause in this one because mine lists this. If you find something different that's more, then you guys do what you need to do.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Barrientos, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to go to any James Avery whatsoever for any reason. If you pick up a new case, I will protect my community at all costs. If I have to throw you in jail and put your bond at $2 million, I'll do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand, ma'am? Do not pick up any new cases. Don't be a danger to my city. How do you support yourself now, ma'am? Do you work full time? And so, but you're also, are you in school full time, part time? We will have you apply for a court appointed lawyer. Deputy Echigon will give you an application. I'm going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. Do not leave without signing. Do not pick up any new cases. You have already missed court once. If you ever miss court again, you will get a really high bond. Do you understand me? There will be no more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door, contrary to popular belief. Do you understand?
Yes, there was a typo. With
Typo.
No one again.
Got it. Okay. Can you file conditions no going to James Avery, please? So bottom of page 14 or top and bottom?
Bottom of 13.
Mr. Garcia, you're charged with driving on a suspended license. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On July 15th, 2026, at approximately 6:38 in the morning, officers were on patrol on I-869 near the North Loop East Freeway in Harris County, Texas, and observed a black 2014 Toyota Camry, an expired registration. The officer initiated a traffic stop, and upon being asked for the defendant's driver's license and insurance, the defendant stated his driver's license was suspended due to an accident on 2 years ago, and the defendant did not have insurance. The defendant stated he did not have insurance at this time, and the record check confirmed this.
Mr. Alvarez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I want you to hear me loud and I want you to hear me clear. You cannot drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today, promising me you're not going to drive. There's nothing in this life that can give you authority, justification, or reason to drive. If you do, I can hold you in contempt and slap you with 180 days every single time you drive. You drive 5 times, I can have 5 contempt hearings and I can stack it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't give a rat's behind what you have to do in this life. If you want to drive, go get a license, get liability insurance, come back here and we can talk. But until that time, if you drive, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, sir? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Yeah, I just needed some time.
Great. We will give you time. I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. We'll have you sign a receipt and then we'll get you out of here.
Hutchinson. Bottom of 19.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Hutchinson. So you're charged with criminal trespass of habitation shelter. That kicks it up to a Class A misdemeanor. So you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one,
On July 12th of 2026, an officer responded to 11300 Regency Green Drive, apartment 2407, which is in Harris County, Texas, and the response was for a burglary call. The complaining witness stated he was outside his apartment and observed the defendant in his residence. The complaining witness did not give the defendant consent to be there, and defendant broke a bedroom window to enter and barricaded himself inside. Defendant was given verbal commands to exit, which he complied with. The defendant was arrested and transported to Methodist Willowbrook due to injuries sustained at the break-in.
Mr. Hutchinson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now going to give you a curfew and you will get a GPS monitor. I do not want you out at night at all. You will get a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. If you're out past curfew, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail, and we'll make it high. I don't know who you have in this life, but if I make your bond $20,000 and you don't have anyone to pony up that kind of money, you'll be stuck like Chuck for who knows how long. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness, not to go within 1,000 feet of this apartment complex, not to be in possession of any weapons, not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and you will be tested. If I find that you're using, then likewise into jail you go. This is not a revolving door. How do you support yourself?
Right now, I do not have a job. I'm trying to get into the army, sir. So I'm just trying to better myself as well. I work at Waffle House, but I had 2 calls no show because I was not able to use my phone or anything.
It's time for you to get a full-time, tax-paying 9 to 5 job. I will make that a condition of your bond, and I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks, and I want to see 40 to at least 50 applications for jobs. Beggars can't be choosers. Don't go for a CEO job. I've done it. I've worked at Burger King, I've worked at Chuck E. Cheese, I've worked at Madeline, I've worked at Papacitos, I've worked at, assuming you do, I will appoint you lawyer today, but you're coming back here in 2 weeks. You're going to get tested. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, Judge, bottom of 27, Madeline.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine because of the high blow. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On July 14th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, on a public roadway, an officer observed a motor vehicle halfway in a moving lane of traffic in lane 1, and while sitting head-on crashed into a tree at 11:37 p.m.
So he crashed into a tree?
Defendant was not in his car, but officer learned of his location from a record driver. Defendant stated his tire popped, causing his vehicle to swerve into a tree. The officer observed defendant admitting to consuming 3 Coors Lights draft beer between 7:30 and 10:30 while speaking to a defendant. The officer also observed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage emanating from his person and breath, slurred speech, and glassy eyes. The defendant admitted to having an additional drink when the SFSDs were conducted, and the SFSDs were 6 out of 6 for the HGN, 6 out of 8 for the walk and turn, and 4 out of 4 for the one leg stand. The DIC was read, and the defendant blew .152 and .155.
Okay, does he have any prior DWIs?
Not seeing any prior DWIs. Let me recheck.
Mr. Medine, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. You are ordered not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. You will be tested. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. If you don't have either, then that is also a condition. You are not allowed to drive. You do not have an eligible driver's license. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I really don't care what you have to do in this life. Do not drive. Do you understand? I'm warning you now. There's no quicker way to go to jail, Mr. Medine. How do you support yourself, sir? And what kind of money do you make a month, sir?
I'm not sure.
What do you normally make?
Usually.
We're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. You're not going to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I'll get you to sign a reset. We'll get you with Veronica for your bond conditions. Mr. Medine, A lot in this life is who you hang out with. If you hang out with the wrong person, people, nightclubs, bars, it's probably not a good idea to do these things while you're on bond for DWI. Do you understand? Okay, let's go. Good morning, Ms. Robinson. May have you charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
United County, Texas. That location is a Target. Security cameras have caught items concealed in defendant Robinson's purse. And then officers arrived and observed defendant Robinson pass all points of sale, making no attempt to purchase the concealed merchandise in her purse and one on her head. The defendant said she was sorry.
Whoa, whoa. And what on her head?
It seems there was more stolen items on her head.
On her head?
Yeah.
Okay.
Defendant said she was sorry, confirmed that she concealed items in her purse. The total came out to $154.02. The hearing was established and pursued.
Okay. All right, Ms. Robinson, I am going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. You are not allowed to go back to any Target whatsoever for any reason. Do you understand? If you go back, if you pick up a new case, you endanger my city, I'm just going to put you in jail. There'll be no more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. You understand? You're what, 17, 18? Okay, how do you support yourself, ma'am? Are you working full time?
I just graduated.
Okay, it's probably time. When people have too much time on their hands, they become self-destructive. You need something else, bless you. You need something else to do with your time. Occupying your time is really good for you, keeps you busy, keeps you out of trouble. It's time. Do you understand? I will appoint you a lawyer today, ma'am, but really, this is life. There are choices. You either make a good choice or a bad choice, and a bad choice may keep you with me. All right, come on. We're gonna have bond conditions created for you to sign. Do not leave until you sign them. Can you file no going to Target? Thanks.
All right, Judge, page 43. Carter, come on up.
All right, Mr. Carter, as a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. I really just don't care what you have to do in this life. You want to drive? You have to do it legally. I'm not asking you to split the atom here, man. Just if you get into an accident, you have to have car insurance. If you don't, you may damage someone else's car. It's just not fair. Imagine if someone takes your car and tangles it into 13 parts. How would you feel? Really, don't drive. If you can go get a license, if you can get car insurance, come back and I'll happily take this restriction off. But until that point, do not drive. You're also ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested for the weed as well.
Judge, the driving without a license is no by the magistrate.
Was it? Okay. Nevertheless, as a condition on your bond on your possession of marijuana case, you are not allowed to drive. I'm making that a condition. Do you understand? If you want to do it, just find out how to do it. You have a lawyer, talk to them. They can guide you on how to get your license back. And then if you're able to, come back and we can talk. But so we're going to see him back tomorrow for the trial case, right? So are you working at this time, Mr. Carter? Okay, so I don't think that we're going to go forward on your trial case tomorrow. I'll waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time coming to court. We'll expect your lawyer here so we can pick a new trial date. But just stay in contact with your lawyer and then we'll figure out what, as far as what trial date is appropriate. So for now, I'm going to have you sign a reset. I'm going to have you come up here, swear test that you're not going to drive. And then I guess we'll just wait for your lawyer to get here so we can give you guys the proper date.
Judge, she wasn't sure about signing on, and she said she was okay with the THA, so they can.
Oh, really? I didn't realize her. No, I'll go back. Thank you for telling me. Is the defendant here now? Oh, he's in jail. Okay, dude's got an ice hold, it looks like. Look at the order on 710. It says order for supervision of bond conditions. Look at that one.
This dismissed, we dismissed it yesterday because the California declined extradite anyways, so we kind of solved.
They denied extradition. They're not going to come get him. They dismissed it.
So it's all figured out now, but yeah.
Okay, did he postpone anyways?
I'm not sure. I don't think he did because it was like a day in between. So I don't know if he's watched like the.
Okay,
Yeah.
so there's really nothing to do then?
No.
Yeah,
it's all figured
okay,
out now.
got it.
Thank you.
Okay, sure. So there was really nothing that he had to do in court,
You got it.
but that's the last reset. I mean, it's either put up or shut up at that point because so it just so happens that Tuesday, the 15th would be the 15th of September is a Tuesday. So can we put on the trial docket for September 15th? And either he's got it by that day, either accepts it or we'll put him to trial unless they dismiss it.
You bet.
Yeah, okay?
Thank you so
All right,
much.
for sure.
Greatly appreciate it.
You got it.
What was the name of that case? So I can mark that.
Cruz.
Cruz.
Yeah. Are you missing conditions?
Yes, and I also want to know his name, so I can start calling him Steve.
Okay, just.
Robinson? Can you make sure she files conditions on Robinson, please? Thanks. I have to start writing stuff down. It's so much. Miss McDonough, she needs to sign conditions before she leaves out, okay? Yeah. But just before she goes, she needs to sign.
Not a problem.
Got it. Thanks. Hi,
My
Mr.
approach,
Come on up.
Judge.
Good morning. Okay,
Andres Salazar. The state is evaluating it, but I believe we're at the point that we may need a trial setting here on.
okay. Yeah, if you want to set it. Are they, you guys ready? Is discovery complete?
I believe it's complete.
Basically, Judge, yeah, he just wants to see evaluated, toss of the front jargon.
So, but he doesn't, you don't want PTI?
I don't think he's eligible for it regardless, and
Let me see, does he have prior?
he doesn't
Yeah.
require, and one of them, we did get an expunction on, it's just taking the processing time.
Oh, I remember him. Yeah. Right, okay. Yeah, set it.
And if I may ask on this one, he is asking if he's on scrim and all the things, he has interlocked and all of that. Can, due to his work schedule, is he able to have the curfew removed from his bond condition?
What time do you want?
Can I ask him?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
During the day, I'm okay. Not in the middle of the night though. But during the day, sure.
Your Honor, we tried to reach out to the complainant in that case again, and there was again no answer.
I'll look at it, Judge.
Okay, thanks.
He sometimes works swing shifts, so he's asking if his curfew can be put to 11.
I don't know. Because then he's gonna want to get home. It's gonna take an hour and a half to get home. He's not gonna want to get home till 1 a.m.
No, I mean, if he has the curfew where he has to be home by 11 p.m.
Show me proof from the work that he actually works until 11, and then we can verify it. We'll call his work to verify that he's actually working until that time. And then we need to know what time he gets off, how soon he needs to get home, or how far it gets from work to home so that we can tweak it to, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay.
I told him it was too far, but, you know. So
Your
it
case
would
is
be October
170 days out now, so you're gonna reach nearly 300 days for, that's just, and then something invariably is gonna happen with someone. I don't know, see what else he can do, any other day. We can do Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, Fridays, whatever he wants.
He's good. That's his first available week. He's set for trial every other week.
Because defense counsel said it wasn't.
It was a reputation, was 160. Body worn cameras are in, he has an offer, everything's safe.
Hey, discovery's complete on that case. So how far did you reset it? Oh, you did?
I told him to go talk to the state and then at first.
Yeah, he left. So, 1 week to decide what they want to do.
835.
Are you ready? Yes.
She was required to make.
I think I saw him talk to her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I should have checked it.
You want to see if Deputy Williams can call her name, make sure? Okay, are you ready? I'm sorry.
Chavez.
Jail or bond?
Bond.
Okay,
Chavez.
Chavez. Chavez, come up.
Is discovery complete on this one?
No, you cannot go. No. Go back in the box. Back in the box. And talk in the box.
All right, it's August 26th. Litigation package is not submitted.
You guys need to decide what you want to do with this case. It's time to either set this case for trial or you must take an offer by the state. Is discovery complete in this case, please? Oh, Mr. Chavez,
Looks like.
do you know is discovery complete?
I'm assuming.
Yes, Judge, discovery's complete, I clear your offer.
He's saying waiting on a rip?
To be honest, we're trying to reach the complainant, but like I told him, we don't need a complainant to prove the case because officers saw him with the complainant.
Got it. Okay. So, great. It's time. I'm giving you a week. You need to decide in a week what you want to do with this case. Some cases are just way too much drama. You have picked up a felony case. I'm not going to hold this thing. You have 1 week to decide what you want to do with this thing. When you come back, you need to decide whether you want to accept it. If not, I'm going to set your case for trial. And at that point, this is your deadline for plea bargain offers. If you don't accept it, and you don't have to, but I'm going to put you to trial. And at that point, I will not accept any more plea bargain agreements. Do you understand me? You have 1 week. It would probably be a good idea to meet with your lawyer. I don't know if you have any immigration issues. If you do, it's probably a good idea to meet with an immigration lawyer as well. But next week is your final setting. Do you understand? Okay, see you in a week.
Yeah, doesn't need bond conditions.
Sorry?
Doesn't need bond conditions.
Oh, bond conditions. All the bond conditions will continue that we had before. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what they did upstairs with the felony case, but that's not my case. So just as far as our case, no contact, no weapons, no dope, no alcohol, random testing, and see you in a week. Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Meadow. What's up, man? I feel your pain.
I got Mr.
Give me a second, Abel. Mr. Hines. Hey, no. Stay, don't go. Just, hey, I'm about to go to court 3, but I've got the translator here. So before I go, I want to talk to you to see if you need to.
Yes.
Okay, so just bear with me. Okay. Meadow.
Los Ganos.
Let's go. Jail or bond?
Bond technically.
Technically. Yeah, homeboy's got an open felony warrant. He's waived today, so he doesn't have to be here today.
Right.
So I guess pick it early next week. There's a pen, it's mandatory.
So, I just had some, the time court that I need to talk to you.
Yeah, but nevertheless, it's,
Just informing the court. No.
okay, I understand, but I still have to make it.
Right. I was right.
Yeah, he picked up a felony DWI, so.
Uh,
Oh, well, yeah, I'm sorry, you're right. It's in warrant status. So we'll put him on for
Next week's the second.
Monday or Tuesday. You pick it and then appearance mandatory.
Is everything?
No, 1 week clear trial. Okay, Mr. Hines.
I'm able to communicate fairly,
Okay,
my client.
maybe for purposes of trial, we can have the translator there. When I was speaking to him yesterday, I thought that we could he was understanding as well.
Yeah.
Out of an abundance of caution, we had it,
Right.
and he requested it, so that's why we
We
did.
do have by standby, and we don't have a trial setting yet, Judge. I know there was a speedy trial motion filed. There was a substitution.
Did you file it, or did they file it?
The former attorney, I see that they had filed at some point.
Okay,
Um,
how much time do you want to get ready?
Judge, there's a lot going on with this case. I mean, there is, immigration, issues going on in the ICE container. Judge, I have a request for investigations out through my office, that I can do my due diligence, Judge. I want to review all the discovery over
30 days?
30 days, yeah.
Okay, because remember, he's sitting in trial, and I mean, there's just no ifs, ands, or buts. He just wants a trial. So why delay the inevitable, right? Obviously, you need to get prepared and have your
Right.
diligence done. So I would have now reach out to the immigration lawyer for the MAC that you guys have,
Right.
that they can, so they can get that done now.
Yes,
And then we'll just go from there. Just be ready when we come back in 30 days, because he wants a trial now.
okay,
So I'd say, tell him, look, I need some time to prepare. I have investigators. I've got an immigration lawyer. It's going to take time.
right.
But when we come back in 30 days, we'll set it. And we'll give you a
Set for
fact.
trial within 30 days.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. Okay.
That's great. Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
Just kind of vote briefly.
Yeah, Mr. Victoria, on Mr. Hines' case, just out of an abundance, if you don't mind getting the interpreter next time as well. Yeah. Okay. Highly-
Just by here. ALDA.
Okay.
Judge, I just need more time for application. I had,
No. Where's Mr. Saldivar?
you didn't have to, for judges,
Okay.
no.
You were at 172 days. He's had since May.
This is the reason, right? I was having a judge's driver's license, he got his driver's license,
Yes.
correct? Mr. Saldivar is not very educated, like he ended up getting.
We've had 2 months to work on a mitigation packet. It's unreasonable to do another long reset.
And I'm not asking for a lot of time, 3 weeks, Judge?
No,
2 weeks?
no, 1 week. You've had 2 months. He has had 2 months. You're now at 172 days. Let him know he's got a week, and that's sufficient time when you put your mind to it. Tell him-
I did have him get his driver's license, he does have a driver's license now, which is a great help for the mitigation package.
But let him know if he doesn't have in a week, I'm gonna roll his ass day for day until he gets it done.
No problem.
Because really, it's at 2 months now.
I appreciate it, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
How much time, Jeff?
1 week must appear. So I'm gonna roll. But we don't have Mr. Is he there? Ah, Blas. Yeah, I'll sign it for you. You tell me to put it in the queue.
Should be here. Mr. Lopez?
I think I've already, I see it. Got it. I'll sign it right now. Okay. Blas, do you need the cost number?
He just gave it to me.
Okay.
Rob, are you done with it? All right,
He said we could- okay, he said we could do the cleaning.
Council, what we said?
Stacy, is that your mom? She looks just, I mean, it's like a splitting image. It's like seeing double. She's great. She's wonderful. You sure? I mean, it's not a big deal. Good morning, Mr. Dubon.
Good morning.
Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 30 days in jail with credit for the 15 days that you have done. By entering into this agreement, you are pleading guilty. This charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. What you need to understand is that these are enhanceable offenses, meaning that if you pick up any more DWIs, you will now be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. A third DWI is a felony offense, up to 10 years in prison. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. If you are on probation or parole, pleading guilty to this offense may result in the revocation of that probation or parole, resulting in further confinement. Is this what you want to do?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. I have to suspend your license. I will do it for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license. And good luck to you, Mr. DeBon.
Thank you, everybody.
CC. Yeah, we'll CC everything as well. Are you ready? Thanks, Martin. Okay, let me just send this roll. Okay. What are your offers?
Deferred and
Okay, so he doesn't want to do PTI?
PCI is a possibility as well.
Okay, we need to start doing this prior to 180 days. Okay, then I need to know now whether you guys want to accept it or not. I mean-
There's also a possibility of going to trial too, so you need to time to consider all.
Okay, I'll give you until Monday. Hey, Victoria, bottom of page 22. Clear trial Monday, please. If you guys want to do the PTI program, he has to have all of it done and ready to go, application submitted and everything, and we'll send it for TRAS on Monday.
Sounds good.
Okay, who's next?
Roll.
Okay,
For him, we're following the felony. I'm waiting for the felony prosecutor to give me the date.
is it out of the same transaction?
Yes.
Okay, what's going on upstairs?
I'm waiting on her to text me. She told me that she's about to approach the judge on it, but that's.
Then let's wait,
Okay.
let's wait.
All right, next one is, Julian.
Okay,
For that one, kind of mistake that he dealt with.
it's 180 days. I mean, I don't,
I just brought an issue to their attention, and so she was.
okay. So is there an offer on this case now?
There is an officer. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you a week. In a week, he's got to be here. He must either accept the plea bargain agreement or we're going to set it for trial. There's no more resets. So can you please make sure that all the rips, everything is done by the following week?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's the here.
okay, so let me know on Roy.
Okay.
Hines, come on up. Hi.
I'm filling in for Bob today, and I am doing a BVR hearing. It's like for
Correct.
Mr. McArthur.
Come up, Mr. McArthur. I guess you just don't take us seriously, do you, Mr. McArthur? No, you don't. We gave you a curfew. You're on deferred for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. We put conditions on you, and yet you fail to live to the conditions.
Your Honor, Mr. McArthur recently became a father.
He's a baby himself.
On July 13th, he welcomed his newborn child into the world. And some of the curfew violations are actually just a gas station for him to get milk for food for his mother.
I don't believe it. You don't get milk at 10:30 at night. There are so many other times that you can get milk. You were on deferred. You just had a baby. You ain't even got a job. That's the only thing that we wanted you to really do was get a job.
He has been making attempts to get a job. He has applied at Wendy's and he's followed up on that job. He
I'm
has had
sorry.
difficulty-
He's going with you. I'm revoking your bond. You're going to jail today. You're not taking us seriously. This is not a game. This is not a revolving door. Somehow I have to teach you that we mean business. And I hope that this is it. You're going in right now. Go. Sorry, just not taking it seriously. Just, yeah. I'll set it at 5,001.
Your Honor, I have nothing to at this
Okay,
time.
thanks. Herman,
Judge, unfortunately, two cases. The first one is Mr. Mitchell. We provided an application and everything for the PTI approval.
give me a second. Let me write this down if you don't mind.
It's an, she did an automatic.
Okay, who's the gentleman?
Mitchell,
Mitchell.
you just need approval.
You submitted everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's set it next week. Pick a day.
Oh,
and we'll
can we
see.
do it walk through T-Raz?
Sure.
And then.
Yeah, yeah.
He might not, because he's here,
Okay,
so
good.
then he doesn't have to come back.
I'm okay with that.
Okay.
Yeah,
great.
yeah. Everything's submitted.
Everything's submitted.
Okay, I trust. Okay, great. I trust you, Herman.
And then, Mrs. Martinez, no relation, we're still waiting on bond.
How old is this case?
It's, it's past puberty. Married.
Okay. It's 150 days. You don't have video. It's a problem.
I mean, they have blood draw video, but they don't have SFSD video.
Is there? Do you know that there is?
Well, they have by law, there should be, and if they have the blood videos, I'm gonna assume that they have it.
So please let them know. I'm setting this for a 10-day discovery hearing.
Yeah.
Whatever's not in within the next 10 days. Okay. Thanks, Herman. Yeah, I got a problem with this. Mr. Johnson, come up. I have a problem with this. I ordered you not to use, and you're still testing. I tested you yesterday. You tested positive. I tested you yesterday. You tested positive, Mr. Johnson. It's been, how many days has it been since we ordered him not to use? Do you know? I ordered you not to use on, it's been 54 days. It should be out. If you want, I'll give you until the end of the week, but I'm going to test you again. If you test negative, or if you test positive, do you understand? Right. So today's what, Wednesday? What day do you want to come back to test again? Within a week. I'm not more than 60 days, because it should definitely be out by that time. You tell me. So today's day 54. All right. Okay, let's do Tuesday. That'll be 60 days. If by 60 days, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
put it on for Tuesday. Thank you, Mr. Bond.
Yes.
It's, one is very old, I'm expecting to get these, we can keep.
I think the bonds are low as is. I mean, really, he's on bond for an assault from 2019. It's at 1,001. He picks up a failure to ID as a fugitive. He's still trying to, yeah, I think his bonds for 3 cases at 4,000, I think that's extremely reasonable. Yeah, no. So I'm happy to do whatever you want to do. If you want to set it a week, 2 weeks, yeah, whatever you want. But I think that that's very reasonable. He's lucky it's not higher, actually.
I'll let them.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thanks. Hey. Take a guess. We are not asking much in this life. We want our streets safe. We put conditions on you. And when you continue to pick up cases, there are consequences. As much as I love Mr. Strauss here, it's just a no-go. You're going to jail today. Goes with you. Sorry, friend, but I mean, really. So I'll leave his DWI is at $150, which is about as low as it can, I mean, really. Hi.
Say I'm here on last name, Humphrey.
Humphrey.
the same time I work out something, I'm just asking him to work the role of the day because I'm trying to get him housing for when he gets out.
Sure, of course.
That's it.
Okay. Have fun.
I think I have Kamani Nelson too. I don't know if it's 180 days old or not.
Is that bond or jail or?
Bond.
I've tried, Mr. Johnson. Hi, Sana, ready?
Judge, how are you today?
Hey, good morning. It's okay. Just tell me.
Judge Silva.
Bond or jail?
Bond, Judge.
Okay,
There's just two cases. The New York case is for March, but the older case is obviously closer. I'm still waiting on discovering the New York case. And just one piece of discovery.
I have it at 125 days old. Is that right? Meaning that-
Open cases, Judge.
It was a 2B. She gets a GOV on March. Yeah, so they're both 125 days old. So I guess, how much discovery you outstanding? A lot?
We just got, level one calls.
Well, she might have to release it to you.
Yeah, I just released an animal.
So I'll give you one more setting, 30 days. Just please try.
Yes,
After that, if whatever's not in, we'll do a 10-day discovery hearing.
yes, Judge.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, and it'll still be waived.
Good morning.
What's up, man?
We have a off docket motion to.
Just tell them to put in the queue. I'll sign for you. Yeah.
This is Dan Corrigan, attorney. I have one case.
Give me a second, Dan. Did you get everything done with Garabay?
Yeah, Frank Garabay. Yeah, everything's been turned in.
Okay, let's give it a second to see if they can follow supervision order.
Okay, I'll just wait. Thank you.
Garabay. We've literally been carrying this case day for day for day for day. Tyler, you want to talk?
Yes, please.
Talk to me.
Today.
Thursday, but today's fine. We don't have any prosecutors. So she's been in trial. She just got out of trial. We didn't have any prosecutors for Tuesday. We've literally had to roll everything. We had jail cases. We had other cases. You were the first one up, but when do you think you can be ready on this case?
Next week, but we do have Martinez fresh up next week.
So this is, I will chalk this up to a continuance for you guys, okay? There's no more for either side, because I denied his continuance. I don't see that you've had a continuance, otherwise I would have denied it. So this is the first one and the last.
Yes, Judge. All the witnesses are available for next week. We were gonna ask for one if we were gonna go this week because our analyst was out until next week, so I understand, Judge.
What is your position for next week? We were ready to go. I came here Tuesday, we had no prosecutors here. Every day for the last 2 weeks, we've had a different prosecutor every day. Okay, great. It's 190 days old. We'll give you a week.
That should be in the piece, easy to serve.
Top of page 2, 1 week must appear. It's a class and dismissal. Okay, who's next?
Ron J.I.R.O.
Okay,
State needs to Eva, they just got the name back.
I don't care. That's 100 days old. Whatever you want. Okay, that's 140 days. Are you missing any discovery?
Discovery is complete, we just received an offer.
Great. We'll give you a normal setting, but he's got to be here at the next one to accept or reject. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. Are you ready? Come on up. Thanks for being patient. Mr. Sharp. Okay, come on up.
Yes.
You guys fight. Let's go. Come on. Thank you for coming.
For Ms. Ariana Alvarez,
Jail or bond?
she's in jail.
Okay, tell me what you would like to do on,
For a reduction, Judge, she's still held on a felony at this time. They have not set the bond for that yet.
oh, she's bond denied up there?
No, she just hasn't had it set, which is odd too, because. those
Oh,
guys-
yeah, no. I mean, we can't even get her in here. She doesn't even come. And now she's picked up a felony DWI with a child I just don't
Her
think,
next setting is the fifth.
if you want to set it for then, let's see if they set her a bond and we'll go from there. But really, she just doesn't come to court. She does what she wants to do.
Judge, the setting in the felony court is August 8th. Or, I'm sorry.
August 4th, yeah.
August 4th, that was the one that sorry, Judge.
Yeah, so Ms. Kuhn, if you want to set it for the next day, I just,
I think she's already doing the next day.
okay,
I have nothing.
Yeah. okay, thanks.
Thanks, Judge.
Yep. Ms. Sharp,
Hi, Judge.
hey, bud.
I'm here doing a favor for a friend. I heard also as Elsa Dewan.
Why, he was in here earlier. I asked him to stop by and he just took off anyways. I don't, and it, Duran, is discovery complete? Or you said, I think you said discovery is complete. He said it was not complete. That's what it was.
So for Jerome, Judge? Yes, that's correct, Judge. I mean, drug test list, everything shows to be completed on my system.
Okay, everything's complete. The case is 160 days old. We need to know what you guys want to do. So we'll give you a week. Is she here now? Ms. Duran, come up.
No, Judge, so for that one, it's been like that 1 year mark, and she has no criminal history.
So she's approved,
If she would be approved, you just made it, have to submit the application.
right? All they got to do is submit the all you guys got to do is submit the application, which takes about 5 minutes. All right.
And
So-
Judge, just so that the court is aware, all discovery was shared as of May 13th.
Great. Let us know what you guys want to do. All right. Thanks. Are you ready? Hi, Ms. Reingold.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I have a Mr. Turner docket,
Jail or bond?
bond.
Okay.
We were asked to approach, I presume through the age of the case, it was filed with their SUVI, and I was appointed to make April.
I still have you at 97 days.
Okay.
So I don't take into account when the 2B gets filed. It's just not fair. When you first get that first setting, that's when it applies. So it's at 97, you got plenty of time.
Usually, they say discovery.
Don't worry about it. You got plenty of time. Yes. Okay.
I've been advised,
When did they set it to?
and they're gonna, I'm afraid, the next 6.
So you're already at 187 days. By that time, you're going to be like 270 days old. That's it. I can't just continue to hold it, right? So hopefully try to get everything in. Do you have an offer on this case?
How does that work there?
That's a good question. What we'll end up doing is we'll end up setting up a trial and they'll just kick this one because that one upstairs is more important anyways. Hey. Karina, on Roy. Do you mind putting an offer on the case?
No.
I'm going to carry it with the felony upstairs. But it's at 190 days now. By the time September comes, when they're set, we're going to be at like 270, 280 days old. I can't just keep holding it.
I did reach out to them and let them know, to see what they wanted me to do in the meantime, but I'm putting like the time serve offer, the conviction,
Great.
and they get forward about felony.
Sure.
But I did reach out to them as well, since they.
Okay.
hey, we're getting-
So next setting is clear trial.
Yeah, I did talk about that.
Ms. Hudson, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Hi, Ms. Tran. You saw the email, presumably.
I sent you an email, just a few minutes ago. At the time, when you got the call, he did go do a drug test there, just as a placeholder. Emailed that to you because he just gave it to me. And then.
Let me see. What was his last name again?
Oh, Quinn.
That's it. I thought Quinn was here today, no?
No, he's on docket, but he wasn't, he didn't.
Hey, did we send him for a drug test now? So he missed the one on the 15th, right?
He didn't need to appear on that court date, but they called him.
Okay, but he didn't, so he didn't show for that.
Right.
Okay, so what we'll do, what we do is I admonish him not to miss again.
Okay.
I'm gonna send him for a test now. Mr. O'Quinn, come up. Where do you currently live now? No. Where do you live? What's home base? What's your domicile? It's either here or it's over there.
Over there.
Okay, so if you get called to test and you're in Louisiana,
Yes, sir.
it is your responsibility to get to a Quest Diagnostics and do a test at a Quest. It is your responsibility to get the test to your lawyer, who can get it to us. But if you miss again, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. I'm sending you for a drug and alcohol test now. I'm hoping that everything is clear, but understand that I'm not going to continue to play this game. If you're in and out from this place to that place, you're the one that's on bond. You're the one that needs to live up to the conditions. I'm not going to give you any more passes. Do you understand? Okay, so we will amend the bond conditions to allow him to do the testing at Quest if he gets called on and he's in Louisiana at the time, but it's his responsibility to get the test done. Obviously, I can't pay for it. You're going to have to pay for it.
What's Quest?
Quest Diagnostics. It's they have them all over there. It's a legitimate lab that we know it's not going to one where you can just go buy a result, because that's what we don't want. All right. Okay. So we'll go from there. We'll have him sign the amended conditions and then that's it. We'll send it for a test now. Hopefully it's negative and we'll go from there. If it's something else, we'll have to address it at that point.
In terms of his case,
Is it old?
it is. They have the blood test case, we have the initial result, it's 0.
When did you guys request it?
Judge, so it goes automatically the moment that,
Sure.
they notice that there's no breath test.
Great, but it takes 180 days to get that other test back.
Because if they did this back in January, or, it should already been close to that time. I'm trying to check to see where we were for toxicology, and right now the turnaround time, by the way, is 242 days.
Oh, Lord. Even
So I
worse.
did tell her that if we get a little more reset, I'll eat out without that tox, to
Good.
see if we could even go forward without it.
Okay,
And then if not, I'll give her an offer to finish.
okay. That's it. But yeah, be ready by the next setting. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, thanks.
Last name?
Yeah.
Is Mr. Flood approach?
Huh?
Is Mr. Flood approach?
Yeah, we talked to him back
Okay.
about the trial cases, right?
Yeah, he.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
We talked to Tyler, saying nobody. Judge, for this one, you said 1 week?
No, it's just a normal setting because they're waiting on talks. And I told them that we get one more setting, a 30-day setting. But at that point, they're evaling it also without the blood or without whatever. Passport those, okay. Thanks. Hey, you were on top of it.
No, just.
And I let, he didn't need it, right? Miss Attar, you can go. I guess the lawyer never needed us.
Oh, Miss.
Yeah, sorry to make you wait. But yeah, you're good to go.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor. Have
Yeah,
a great.
I know.
Actually, we can do on the screen. It's fine. I won't be able to do it on the screen. Yeah.
Defendant for a passport return?
I can go get all that. I've been.
Okay, just, you're gonna take the 35 minutes to the, simple first course to passport and for registry.
Exactly.
You're welcome.
George is the last name?
Yes, George is the last name.
Okay,
Just spoke with the chief. She offered him to do a class and dismiss.
great. We'll give you a week.
A week?
Yeah, yeah. It's 171 days old,
Okay, no
so
problem. Thank
yeah.
you, Judge.
you got it. Hi, Mr. Blanc.
Hi, Judge.
Good morning. Jail or bond? Jail?
Jail.
Yeah, I just,
ID will be.
We need someone from in back. We need someone from in back. You need the thumbprint, right? Oh, you got it already? Okay. Who do they?
But he doesn't have the receipt or because it was gifted. I absolutely needed it.
Otherwise, what if I give it back to him and it's someone else's?
Right. That's amazing.
All right, good morning, Mr. Stavanova. Sir, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with theft. You're also charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. The agreement that you have worked out is 10 days in jail with credit for the 5 days you have done on the theft case. This will now reflect as a conviction on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. I don't know how many thefts that you have, but if you continue to pick up thefts, at some point you will be hit with a felony offense and looking at years instead of days. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. If you are on probation or parole, this can be used to revoke that, resulting in further confinement. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the theft, sir? I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow this agreement. Mr. Stavanova, this is now your 2nd theft. On the next one, it's very possible that you're facing a felony offense. You understand? All right, I'm going to find you guilty, follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks. Did you guys file a dismissal on the failure to ID by chance? Hi, Manny. You ready? Come on up. But it sucks for him. Why does he have to suffer because the lawyer don't come? It's not cool. No, I mean, what we need to do is get it.
No, I've been trying to contact him.
Have you ever spoken to your lawyer about this case?
Not yet.
Okay, that's a problem. Okay, I'm gonna try to get you a different lawyer, okay?
Yeah, because
He
called
worry
me this
about it.
morning when I got here, and he said that he couldn't be here because he's going down.
That's what we're, appoint him a different lawyer, please. It's 165 days. He's not even talked to him once.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of you. Just go ahead. We'll try to find you someone else, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Just please take a seat. You got it. That's just about as, it's unacceptable, man. Mr. Depperdine, what time does court start?
8:30.
What time did you get here?
11.
Okay. Come on time next time. It messes everything up. Do you understand? You were charged with assault of a family member. You're also charged with interference with the emergency request for assistance. On both of those cases, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Go ahead.
On February 3rd, 2026 in Harris County, Texas, an officer responded to his assistance for bodily injury call at 3100 West San Houston Parkway, apartment number 329. The complaining witness stated she has been in a relationship with the defendant for 4 years and has been staying at the location with the defendant for 3 months. And the complaining witness stated she was unable to pay rent. The defendant became angry and started verbally assaulting her. The complaining witness stated due to previous arguments, she was not going to allow the defendant to talk to her this way, was going to call the police. When the complaining witness stood up, the defendant lunged at her and gripped both of her wrists with his hands, stabbing his nails into her inner wrist. The complainant stated she felt pain. The officer observed marks on both wrists of the complainant and small marks where the skin was pierced. The complainant said that after a brief struggle, she was able to wrestle her way free and call 911. While on the call, she was prompted to give her address and room number before the defendant took away the phone. The defendant removed the phone from her hands in a way that knocked her to the wall where she hit her head. The impact from hitting her head caused her to lose consciousness. The complaining witness woke up the defendant leaving.
The complaining witness woke up the defendant
Leaving.
leaving. Mr. Depperdine, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with this person whatsoever and not to be in possession of any weapons. There's a protective order that has been, well, I'm going to issue a protective order that identifies Ms. Dotson as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of the place on Court Road or any other places where she might live or reside or work. If you violate this condition, the state can file an additional charge against you, and a violation of a protective order is one of the worst cases you can pick up. You understand? When I mean no contact, I mean no contact of any kind. I don't care if she reaches out to you. I don't care if she calls you, texts you, come to your house. If you have contact with her, even if it's initiated by her, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. One more thing. You were given PR bonds on both of these cases. I don't know what kind of family member, I don't know what kind of support you have out there, but if I have to revoke your bonds and make them $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, if you don't have anyone to pony up that kind of money, you'll be stuck like Chuck with me. Do you understand me? I'm going to protect my community at all costs. And if I have to throw you in, I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. How do you support yourself? So you don't work. Do you have children? How many kids do you have? So why on earth are you not working to provide for your kids?
I am working, it's just.
You know you're not, but you're not working. You're not working here, working there, dishwashing there, waiting tables there.
I'm working.
It's time for you to get an actual job. Those kids need to stop. Those kids need to actually eat. They need clothes. They need support. You working part-time and having someone else pay the rent for everything, that's not going to fly. And I'm now making it a condition of your bond. And I'm going to give you 2 weeks and I'm bringing you back and I want to see what you have done to get a job. If you've done nothing, it's not going to go well between us. Do you understand me? I will give you an application for an appointed lawyer. It's now nearly 1 o'clock. So when you come back, have it filled out and then we'll talk about a court-appointed lawyer. Be ready because I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs and you will be tested. If I find that you're using, then likewise, it's not going to go well between us. When I mean illegal drugs, that includes marijuana and anything that has THC in it. Do you understand? Okay. We will have you sign all these conditions. Come up, sir.
Sir.
Thank you for coming. Behind the bar, please. So understand, I have a lot of people that come in here. I have a lot of people that try to get things and I have no idea who they are. I have actually granted a motion and given back a gun to a person that should not have gotten the gun before. So now I don't give guns unless I know the person actually owns the gun and it's their gun. Yours, you're just coming up here saying, hey, I need this gun back. I don't know that it's your gun. What if someone else comes back and tries to claim ownership of the gun? Right. So this is the court. In a court, we will actually own the gun that you've registered and that it's in your name. Great. That's something that shows that you own the gun, but I can't just take your word for it.
I understand.
You know?
Well, my problem is that my brother died. It was his gun, he gave it to me, and he died. And I don't have any idea how to get a receipt.
And I can't give you legal advice, but there's got to be another way. I don't know, but I can't just give it to you because you say you want it. I'm sorry.
I didn't know either though, but.
That's okay. And I mean, it's always a learning experience when you come to the courthouse. Sometimes things are a mistake before and I don't intend to duplicate it. I'm a hard learner sometimes and.
I guess what I'm really looking for is There's a way to get it back. I mean.
Well, what I would do, what I like,
What to do, I just didn't.
you talk to a lawyer. You know, when you come to court and when you do things in the criminal or civil realm, the best thing that you can do is talk to a lawyer and they can advise you on how to properly go forward to try to prove ownership or prove somehow that it's yours. I don't know. But a lawyer can give you legal advice on how to go forward. Ways you either going to,
Help them out. It costs
I get it. So, but you're either going to, there's no half-ass. You either do it, at a minimum, answer a couple questions for you.
She didn't, tell me how, she just kind of rushed out and talked about the case itself. So I guess I'll go back to her.
Call back and ask. It really takes 2 minutes to answer a question and hopefully they'll have the wherewithal. I mean, if you had a lawyer, hopefully they can try to see you through it.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you very
All
much.
right. Thank you, sir. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I can give you some resources on like that, but I don't represent you.
Okay.
I think, but that, Jacob, that's fine. That's fine. But when you're coming in front of a court and you're arguing in front of a judge to try to get something done, that's representation.
I understand, Your Honor.
Yes.
I understand.
Yeah, yeah. Ariel. Hey. Ariel.
Good morning, Judge Fleischer.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Ready to get out? Skedaddle.
Yes,
What's the word,
absolutely. This
Thunderbird?
will be really quick. I have Thompson on docket. He has a felony pending. His felony is set August 5th. Can I reset him to August 6th
Is he in jail or on bond?
in jail?
Oh, is it really only 55 days?
Yes, Judge.
Well, of course you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
All right. Thank you,
Okay, have
Judge.
fun. I don't care, whatever you want.
Okay. Yeah, August 6th. I will email Victoria.
Okay. 2501. What? See? 2501 on both.
Out of 23, set for a rented 5 foot square.
2501.
Out of 26, there, you didn't have a rag because mom was sick and.
So which one's the best one? You think so?
The worst one.
Yeah, that really sucks. But he's got a mom and she's sick. If you mind, let's set it a week.
Yeah, that's why I.
Yeah. And
There's
then,
a co-defendant also. We did try to call, I think this was the one that, we did try to call Judge. They did not answer because it is a co-defendant.
yeah. Okay, so do you mind doing the rip, putting an offer? Well, let's do a week. They got to be here in a week.
Yes.
Must appear. Okay, guys, we're done. Sheesh.
Okay.